Zebec holders, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be going over the bullish and bearish scenarios for Zebec. So let's dive straight into it. So with Zebec, we are now tracking this blue wave count. As you can see here, it's going to be an impulse in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. I would love for a low to be in this zone, to be honest. I really would. The reason why I'm saying, okay, I think now is the time to start looking to take a long. I'm currently in a long now on Zebec. So yeah, many of you guys have been waiting for that. I'm currently now in a long, just entered pretty much, I think 11 hours ago now. So currently just riding the wave at the moment in this long. Again, my main target for Zebec was to get around to the 0.87 fib to take a long, but I don't mind building a long now from this zone all the way down here. You know, so I'll have a limit order here, a limit order here, a limit order here, and a limit order here. So I'll just have a few limit orders spread out across this whole support zone that we have. So I'm officially in. And I know many of you guys have been waiting for me to get in, and I'm now officially in this long. The reason why I'm in this long is because I really like the look of this daily. The daily looks like, yeah, there's still a little bit more room to the downside, but if we do get a little bit of curvature here on the momentum wave, that is going to be some strong bullish divergence. So money flow is already looking pretty nice. You know, the only thing I don't like is the Tashikara size are pretty high. But other than that, I'm really liking what I'm seeing here. The 4 hour looks pretty handy. We just need the money flow here as well. But that's the reason why I'm building in this zone, because I do believe that this zone is going to give us a good opportunity to be able to continue to ride this wave with Zebec. So I'm in. Am I in a little bit early? Definitely. I already know that. But that was deliberate. You know, I want a core position to be able to build a position to move my average down as the price is moving down. If we continue to break our way to the upside, then that means I've not fulfilled all my limit orders, but I've still got a position to the upside anyway. So I'm locked in, I'm focused, and I know many of you guys are as well. Just in terms of 1 hour time frame, as you can see here, money flow is coming to the upside here, VWAP's going to the upside here. So I like what I'm seeing on the hourly. And also another reason why I took this long is purely because we came down to the 0.786 here, and we had a nice bounce straight away. So we had a nice reaction to it. Obviously we need to see a little bit more juice here, and you know, that's kind of what I'm expecting from this zone. In terms of the weekly time frame, we can go to the weekly real quick. The weekly, we do have the potential of a bullish divergence start to form here really soon. I would give it maybe 2 to 3 weeks for this to fully come down, this momentum wave down here. I do think there's a bit of room to come down a bit before we get a confirmed bull div across here, and that would be super strong bull div as well, because this will be bull div from the 24th of November 2025 all the way till now. So like I said, I do think we're in a really nice position. And many of you guys know that we had this nice low down here. We had a rally up here, and the reason why we topped in this zone was because of the partnership with XRP. It was by the rumor sell the news event, and we've been working our way down ever since. And I do believe we're coming towards the end of this correction to the downside, and that's why I'm entering slowly into Zebec here on a 5 to 10x leverage trade, and that's what I'm going to continue to do. Also guys, I know many of you guys are asking, where can we get live Zebec updates all the time? Feel free to check out the CryptoWmal group. As you can see here, we've been taking longs not just on crypto, we've been doing it on stocks as well. We've got a really nice 44% move there on SpaceX. As you can see here, a member done over 1,000% on Tau. OPG, another member's been absolutely killing it there. Gold, we've been taking longs on gold. QNT, we've just been absolutely killing it in the CryptoWmal community. And because now I'm officially in this long position, for the Zebec community, every single membership is half price. Half price, so the monthly is half price, the quarterly is half price, the yearly is half price, and the lifetime is half price. So feel free to hit the link in the comments below. Also, if you're interested in learning how to trade completely for free as well, videos, we have a free crypto course for you guys. All you got to do is go to the CryptoWmal.com/learn, and you will get all the 11 videos completely for free. All you got to do is sign up with your email below. You'll also be part of the newsletter as well, and every Sunday you'll be getting updates from me. Just a little insight of what goes on in the VIP group as well. So definitely feel free to check that out as well. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I've got going on with Zebec at the moment. Do want to give a huge shout out to Maximus Crypto. Do also want to give a huge shout out to Rule Black Investing as well. Them two dudes providing all the goods for the Zebec community as well. I'm trying to do a collab with them. It's just the time zones are so horrible, dude. The time zones are really horrible. But we'll try to figure it out one day. We're going to try and figure it out. So I want to say a huge thank you to every single one of you guys. As we always like to do, leave a comment below what your price targets are for Zebec. If you stayed this far, that's the key trigger words. what targets do you want for Zebec in the future? Where will you start taking profit, in other words? And we always like to end with a Bible verse. I always like to close my eyes and allow the Lord to pick the Bible verse of the day. And today is Acts 1, verse 20. May his place be deserted. Let there be no one to dwell in it. And may any other take his place of leadership. Therefore, it is necessary to choose one of the men who have been with us the whole time the Lord Jesus went in and out amongst, beginning from John's baptism to the time when Jesus was taken up to us. For one of those must become a witness with us for his resurrection. So that's the verse of the day, as you can see here. Shout out to all my Christian brothers and sisters. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.